At the same time, he wants the general revenues to make contribution to the railways because railways are serving some social purposes. Full stop. True, we have been having it throughout the 120 years ever since the railways have been started in our country. Full stop. They have been expected to serve social purpose as well as commercial purpose, and they have been doing it. I do not understand why, in spite of all this, the railways should be exonerated from the responsibility of having to pay even a minimum dividend on the huge colossal amount of capital that has been invested and that is being invested also. Full stop. I hope the railway convention committee would take due note of this demand that we are making on behalf of the public, that the railways have a responsibility to make contribution to the general revenues, not as general revenues but as an interest, whatever it may be. Full stop. Stanza. Now government is paying 10 or 15% on borrowings. Full stop. It need not pay as much as that, but at least half as much as that, or one third as much as that, but there should be contribution from the railways. Full stop. Another thing which my honorable friend started and which has been taken advantage of by successive railway ministers from our side is to place all the blame on the planning commission, and then somehow suddenly from all sides all our members jump into the fray and they exonerate the railways. Full stop. They forget the primary responsibility of the railways to make the best possible use of the monies that have been placed at their disposal, the assets that have been placed at their disposal, and go on blaming the planning commission. Full stop. Planning commission means the central government, the whole of the parliament. Full stop. How else does the planning commission function? Question mark. I cannot understand. Full stop. If the railways want more money, they should be able to make out a good enough case and get in from the finance minister and from the government. Full stop. If they are not able to make a good enough case and at the same time they say that the planning commission is not allotting this money and that money, I would have said that it is the high of irresponsibility. Full stop. Stanza. It is the duty of the railway minister and the government as a whole to go into the whole finance of the railways and find out how much money has to be placed at their disposal.